How to see Decal ID on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to find your Decal ID in your Roblox account. So first of all you have to do is just open your Roblox account. You can also follow the same steps in the mobile version of your Roblox mobile application in your mobile device, but I'm showing you this tutorial in the web version of my Roblox account. So just simply open the Roblox website and after that just log into your account. And once you're logged in into your account, all you have to do is just click on the marketplace section from the top right menu that you will see. Just simply click on it. And after that, over here on the search bar, you can search for any item that you would want to purchase from the marketplace section in your Roblox account. And I'm going to search for the kit right here. And after that, you can go ahead and explore a different option that you will see after searching for the product that you would want to buy. For example, I want to buy this particular gray operator kit. For example, this is the particular decal that you want to buy. All you have to do is just check out the URL section of this particular page where you will see this particular item on your screen. And right beside the catalog slash, you will be able to see this 10-digit number. This is the Decal ID that you are looking for. So that's how simple it is to find your Decal ID on your Roblox account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.